facing this type of problem in your industry line, in your production line, look at this. So scratchy, not in a good shape after peeling and cutting the cover from the busbar. Yes, we have some solution for you. Look, the good quality, good shape, and even not a single scratch. So here, introducing you the machine that can solve your this type of problem in your industry. So this machine can reduce your manual cost. This machine can reduce the material cost also. So with one labor can operate this machine so easily. For making a bus bar like this, you need 3 steps. And for the 3 steps, you are using 3 machines. But here, with one machine, you can do 3 steps altogether. With one measuring lever, one machine, and 3 steps. Isn't it so efficient way to peel cover from the bus bar? So if you need this type of machine and this size machine and cost-saving machine, then this is the right machine for you. And if you are so interested, just contact with me. I can help you anytime. So within 15 seconds, it can ensure you the quality, it can ensure you the shape, the perfect shape, it can ensure you to reduce the manual cost and the material cost. So this machine can do this type of thing. Just put your bus bar here for the heating part. Using this one, you can done your heating part, and after that, just put your bus bar here for the peeling and the cutting with this one. So it is so easy to use and so easy to operate. So if you're interested, then contact with me. I am here to help you anytime. So thank you everyone.